Hi everyone, my name is Parul Verma and welcome back to my channel A Happier Me. In today's video, I will be recreating the King Taco style tacos using chicken and few simple ingredients at home. Today is Valentine's Day and I want to make these for my family because they love tacos. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel where I will be sharing more recipes and more tips to make a happier living.
I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.